Hi, good morning. This is Himali, and I am one of the co-founders of Thermosons. Thermosons is thermal and renaissance. We are reinventing the patient experience in the healthcare environment through our unique and very innovative barriers. This is our first time participating in Medicall Chennai, and our main objective of coming here was obviously to create some awareness about our products, but also at the same time find dealers and distributors and partners who can be a long-term partner in this journey and help us introduce this very interesting, very innovative infection, thermo and feed barriers in the market. We have three types for the healthcare environment: infection barriers, thermo barriers and the feed barriers. I'll briefly talk about each one of those. Infections, as we know, hospital-acquired infections is a major issue in the healthcare environment, be it ICU, operating rooms, transplant areas. Different wards are grappling with an issue around the hospital-acquired infections. What we have created are various infection barriers to break the epidemiology triangle. We are focusing on the environment, healthcare professionals and patients, various unique solutions that are first clinically proven to be effective against range of pathogens. So be it bacteria, be it fungus, be it viruses, as soon as they come in contact with the fabric, it neutralizes those. And these have been again validated in Indian labs as well as in the US labs. Also, the US military standards have been cleared. So here on display what we have is our range of solutions for the ICU. Starting with the environment in terms of the bed sheets, in terms of the pillow covers, in terms of the smart temperature management system. For the patients, as you can see, we have the patient uniforms. The doctor scrubs, aprons, curtains. All these items are clinically proven to be effective against a range of pathogens. It has also cleared a crossover trial which was conducted by Mazumdar Shaw Medical Foundation at Narayana Health in Bangalore, which showed a statistically significant reduction in bacterial load as well as the fungal load in our barriers compared to the regular textiles what were used in the healthcare environment. Along with the infection barriers, what we have, the second category is the thermo barriers, which actually helps to maintain the body temperature of a person. One of our most interesting product is a smart temperature management system, which A is antimicrobial, but the B unique part of it is, one part it helps to keep the patient warm, and the second side of it keeps the patient cool. Because some patients struggle with hypothermia, some patients struggle with hyperthermia. What our system ensures is that their body temperature is constantly maintained. Similarly, for the babies, what we have created is the baby hug. So the preterm babies, the low birth weight babies, especially for them, the hypothermia can prove to be fatal. So our passive warming system, baby hug, helps to maintain their body temperature while also ensuring that the risk of infection is reduced. And our last important barrier is the feet barrier, which is the socks, the smart socks for the diabetic patient, again with the antimicrobial property as well as the thermoregulation. So while it helps to reduce the risk of infection in the diabetic patient, they stay protected from fungal and bacterial infection in the feet. On the other hand, it also provides with the thermoregulation benefit, improving the microcirculation in their feet and thereby delaying the onset of neuropathy and the other issues. So these are our three barriers. It's an Indian company. We have got the Australia's TGA approval for one of our products. It is also CDSCO approved. We have also got the US FDA registration. The military has effectively tested the various products, be it the thermo barriers as well as the infection barriers. And they are already it's already been used by the various armed forces, in India, in the US, and other countries.